Hello and welcome back to Fishing Adventures with Jethro TV. Okay guys, so we are here again at our beloved Corniche. Not for fishing, but to give you an update regarding for what is happening now here at Corniche. Guys, fishing is not allowed anymore here at Corniche at any time. Okay, so maybe you heard already that a lot of anglers are being caught already by the Baladia, sending them an SMS that they need to report to the ministry. So guys, it's true, everything is true, because I have a lot of followers already and some friends that are sending a screenshot of the SMS that Baladia sent to them. Okay, so please guys, if you can look for another fishing spot, much better, much better guys. Don't take any more chances here at Corniche, because we don't know. They already put a signage, stickers on the walls that fishing is not allowed. So if you still take your chances and Baladia will caught you, we don't know what will happen anymore. Okay guys, so just be careful, don't take your chances. But good news is we still have a lot of options to go for fishing spots. I have a lot of fishing spots here at Qatar guys. So first, one of them is we can go through by boat and go to Safliya Island. Okay, Safliya Island, there you can fish anytime, no restrictions. Okay, so just don't bring net, because it is not really allowed. Okay, only rods, reels, hand line is okay, no problem, but net, no. Okay, so if you want to go to Safliya Island, you can contact Nonito Valle. You can contact him directly through Messenger. Just search for Nonito Valle. Okay, so it's our friend guys. Okay, and also you can contact also Kap Sayid Ali. Oh my god, I forgot. I'm sorry my friend Kap Sayid, I forgot your full name, but Kap Sayid Ali Dawood Mala. But anyways, if you want to contact them or ask for or to inquire about it, you can leave your comment below guys. Okay, and I will give you the details. So next is if you are still really eager to catch milkfish or bangus, we have inland sea. Okay, so for those who don't have like a four-wheel drive cars or 4x4, you can contact guys Joseph Octavo. Okay, you can contact him directly through his messenger also, something like that. And next one, the nearest here at Corniche is the Hilton. Okay, but it's just a small space, but still you can do some casting there and bait fishing. Okay, the next is Sima Isma, and then we have Alcor. In Alcor guys, there's a lot of fishing spots there. Okay, we have their Purple Island, Al Thakira, Al Dakira, Iraida, and on this Al Thakira area, there's a lot of fishing spots there. You can just explore. Okay, and we have the Al Fuwairit, Al Garia, Exit 93, Al Ruwais. Okay, and here we have also here Sea Line and Inland Sea. Okay, on that side we have there also Dukhan, Umbab, Secret. Okay, and here we have a lot of boats here that you can go for offshore fishing. It's quite a little bit expensive, but if you want to catch bigger ones, or you need to try the boat. So for the boat, okay, we have a lot of friends, captains. Okay, so first we have the Cap Manolo. Okay, so for Cap Manolo, you can also just leave your comment below for anything, for the inquiries or like that. You can just leave your comment below. So first we have Cap Manolo, of course, Cap Nonito, Cap Sayid. Okay, so Cap Marlon, Cap J. So we have a lot of friends, guys. Okay, so just leave your comments below, and we can maybe for now we can ask them for a little bit of discount, because you know it's for an ordinary angler or for an ordinary people here, it's a quite expensive, you know, but it's safe. Okay, it's really safe. So that's it. It's really heartbreaking news, but there's no one to be blamed but us. Okay, if we are just responsible about our garbage, okay, this will not happen. We know that, of course, we already know that fishing is really not allowed here at Cornish even before. Okay, but we are just taking our chances sometimes, because you know, security or Baladia is not really strict into it. But now a lot of people complain, a lot of locals, a lot of people who jog here or every Friday to have some family time, quality time. And of course the cleaners, they always take a picture of the things that you just leave there. Okay, especially the hooks. It's very dangerous, guys. A lot of kids are playing here, and there are hooks there, lines, hooks, and especially, guys, because now is the season of milkfish, the blood and the scales, a lot of blood and scales, okay, that are just scattered there. They just leave there. They don't wash after they caught this milkfish. The smell and the, of course, it's not really pleasant to be seen here. Okay, so that's it, guys. So just stay tuned on our channel, and I will share all the fishing spots that I'll be going, guys. Okay, so just stay tuned, and I will share all the locations. Whew. That's it. So just spread love, always be happy, spread positivity, and enjoy fishing. Bye bye.